Hello, today we will learn some applications of game theory. First situation that we will take up, that is contract negotiations. Okay, the labor contract between your management and the union will terminate in the near future. A new contract must be negotiated, preferably before the old one expires. You are a member of management group charged with selecting a strategy for them during the coming negotiations. After a consideration of past experience, the group agrees that feasible strategies for the company and the union are. So, in order to negotiate a new contract, both the parties agree that following may be the feasible strategies. Strategy number one, all-out attack, that is hard aggressive bargaining. Second, a reasonably logical approach. Third, a legalistic strategy. And fourth, an agreeable conciliatory approach. So these are the four possible strategies which will be considered by the company as well as the union. The payoff table is given here. Find the optimal strategy for the company. Determine the worth of your negotiations. So, from the past experience, okay, this is the payoff matrix to the company. Okay, company strategies, row wise 1, 2, 3, 4, and union strategies, column wise 1, 2, 3, 4. So if company chooses strategy 1 and union chooses strategy 1, so there will be a payoff of 20 units to company. And similarly, we can interpret all other payoff values in this payoff matrix. Now, what is the question? The question was, find the optimal strategy for the company as well as the optimal strategies for the union, and what will be the worth of your negotiations, means what will be the net outcome. Okay, so in order to answer this type of situation decision making framework, game theory helps us. So supposing S company is the optimal strategy for company and S union is the optimal strategy for union. Okay, so by using the methods or mathematics available in game theory, we have solved this above game problem, conflicting problem, and we have obtained this solution. Okay, so strategy 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the solution comes out like this. These are the probabilities: 17 upon 20, 0, 3 upon 20, and 0. So what does this mean? This means that company should choose strategy 1 with probability 17 upon 20 and the strategy 3 with probability 3 upon 20. And the company should not go with strategies 2nd and 4th because their probabilities are 0. Okay. Again, the optimal strategy for union is like this. So the union should choose strategy 2 with probability 7 upon 20 and 3 with probability 13 upon 20, as it is obtained like this. And this probability is 0 for strategy 1 and strategy 4 is 0. Okay, and therefore the value of the game, okay, is V is equal to this upon this, that is 13 approximately. So the net worth of negotiations would be 13. So this is how we have obtained, we can answer the questions like this, determining the optimal strategies and the worth of negotiations, etc., with the help of game theory. Second example we can take that of selection of advertising strategies, competition between two firms for business. So there are two firms, okay, are competing for business under the condition that one firm's gain is another firm's loss. Firm A's payoff matrix is given below. Okay, firm A, firm B. What are the strategies? No advertising, medium advertising, and heavy advertising. Similarly, these three are the strategies for firm B also. So if this combination is chosen, no advertising, no advertising, so there is a payoff of 10 units to firm A. Similarly, let me take this one, last one, okay, this one. So if firm A chooses no advertising and firm B chooses heavy advertising, then there will be loss of 2 units to firm A. Similarly, if firm A chooses medium advertising and firm B chooses heavy advertising, there will be a benefit of, or the payoff 15 payoff to the firm A. Likewise, we can interpret all other payoff values in this payoff matrix. Now, the question is, suggest optimum strategies for the two firms, both the firms, and the net outcome thereof. Okay. So this, considering that SA is the optimum strategy for firm A and SB is the optimum strategy for firm B, by using the mathematics of game theory, this SA is obtained like this and SB is obtained like this. It means that firm A should go with the second and third strategy, A2 and A3, and firm B should go again, should go with the second and third strategy. Okay, that is the firm A should choose A2 and A3 with 50% of time and 43% of time respectively, and the firm B should choose B2 and B3 with 71% of time and 29% of the times respectively, or with probability 0.71 and 0.29. The net outcome or the value of the game then will be equal to E is equal to 90 upon 7. So this, now this above problem is solved. It is answered. A decision can be made. Okay. So these kind of decisions can be done with the help of a game theory. We can talk about many other competitive situations, games like the two participants or two candidates fighting for election of a particular constituency. Okay, so they may, both of the candidates may be applying their strategies. Similarly, there could be war games. Two countries are fighting and both the countries are employing their all possible strategies and or optimal strategies so that they can win the war. And likewise, this example for having more and more market share or business, okay, so there could be various kind of games, business games, okay, which can help organizations for having more and more business or market share. Okay, so thank you for listening to this